What's up, guys? So I wanted to make a recap on another trade that we took. I just finished recording the one that we took towards the end of the day. Now I'm going to talk about the one we took at the beginning of the day. So last last night we had a pretty significant move to the downside. I mean, I think it was Ukraine stuff, or actually it was Israel stuff going on, and we had a big spike down, and then got bought right back up at the close, or before the open. I mean, and so from there, what I was looking for was okay. Initially, I was kind of thinking bullish because, okay, if we're gonna sell off that hard overnight and get bought back up, wouldn't it make sense if we kind of had a reversal? But of course, we just play the price action, what's in front of us, but we hold our biases loosely. And so here's what happened. Initially, I was looking for either a break of 500 or a break of 499. And we tried to break 500 a couple times, couldn't do it. And then we finally got that break of 499. And so once we got that break, I can throw that level on here so it's easy. We got that break. We entered on this candle here. And once it closed, had a pullback. My stop loss was a break above the moving averages. And so we went up about this candle closed, we pulled up some. This was during live trading. And so we entered here, was up about 30%, trimmed some, and then that was it for that trade. And we kind of got stopped out at break even once I had that pullback. And then I looked for another entry. And so my next entry was right here. And actually, sorry, it was right here. And so what happened is we held the moving averages, we held that 499, we broke lower, and then we initially had a nice bounce to the upside, and that wasn't fun to hold through, but still was holding VWAP, was holding the moving averages, so I was just following my plan. So we got in here, went down about 25% or so on this pullback here, but then we flushed and broke that 498 level, which was a key level overnight where we had this basically impulse move down as a result of that level there. So it was a pivot point, and so we wanted to pay attention to that. And once we broke that level, we kind of retested it, held our 9 EMA the entire time, and ultimately flushed to the downside and sold runners once we broke that 9 EMA. But we were trimming on the way down. First initial target was this support level right here at 497. And so we trimmed there and then rode it all the way down and ended up catching 150% on this trade. So that's the recap on this. I hope that helps. Just kind of seeing what was going on. And then on top of that, we had a nice squeeze and was setting up and kind of shifting into a downtrend. So overall, not the easiest trade, but it was easy because we followed our rules. So that's the trade. Thank you guys for watching. DM me in the chat if you have questions. And if you're not a part of our Discord, I'll put the link down below. But all right, thank you. See you in the next video.